Pens, written by Gopal Krishna Sharma. There was a time when the pen was the king of the desk. It was not merely a writing instrument, it was a symbol of learning, elegance, and identity. Whether tucked behind ears, clipped into shirt pockets, exchanged between friends, or preserved as keepsakes, pens were part and parcel of everyday life. They were used by us to sign on our first job applications, write answers in exams, jot down family recipes, and pen down heartfelt letters. But today, they have faded into the background, victims of a digital era that thrives on speed, not sentiment. I still remember the comforting scratch of a fountain pen nib on paper, the occasional ink smudge on fingers, and the pride of graduating from pencil to pen in school. Those little milestones were rites of passage. Now they are quietly vanishing like footprints on shifting sands. One memory from the early 2000s remain etched in my mind, that of a man who embodied the essence of that era. In Shimla and Solan, I often saw a man known as the Penwala with long flowing hair, a thick moustache, and an unmistakable aura of calm. He cut a striking figure. He was a regular on Shimla's Mall Road and at the local bus stands of Shimla and Solan. His open umbrella was unlike any other. Its ribs were lined with pens of every shape and kind, ballpoints, gel pens, ink pens, all meticulously tagged and swaying gently with every step. Pens were clipped across the front of his long coat, up his sleeves, down his legs, and even on the brim of his hat. He never spoke much, but his presence turned heads. For tourists and commuters alike, he was a walking exhibition, an unsung ambassador of the handwritten word. Today, it feels almost surreal to recall such a scene. The writing has been on the wall for some time. Pens, once indispensable, are now playing second fiddle to technology. In our daily lives, apps and automation have edged out handwritten forms, letters, diaries, and even greeting cards. A birthday wish today is a GIF, a condolence note, a forwarded message. The pen, it seems, has become a relic, out of sight, out of mind. But let us not throw the baby out with the bathwater. Pens taught us discipline and reflection. To write with a pen meant to slow down, to think before committing words to paper. Our handwriting was, in many ways, the mirror of our inner rhythm. Thanks for listening. Now, find the meaning of the following words or phrases. Number one, now they are quietly vanishing like footprints on shifting sands. Shifting sands. Number two, But let us not throw the baby out with the bathwater. What does it mean? Throwing the baby out with bathwater. Next, pens, once indispensable, are now playing second fiddle to technology. INDISPGNSABLE, indispensable. Next, play second fiddle. Thanks for listening.